Hello, my name's Kit. I'm gonna be unboxing this thing. Let's see. Scissors. Where's my scissors? The fuck? Oh, here it is. Alright. So, I think inside this package is a very amazing appliance that I've been waiting for. Scissors. So I went ahead and bought some more scissors. Yup. Yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. There we go. Bam. Oh man, these scissors, they feel super sharp. You could even hear that. Amazing. Let's look at the small scissors. Okay. And oh damn, these are small snippets. Actually, on top of here, it seems like it's curved a bit in for some reason. See if I could zoom in. Ooh, eventually focus on me. Focus. Focus. Focus! Focus correctly. Please. Whatever. But if it wasn't sharp, if it wasn't focused, then oh my fucking god. It's okay. You don't need to see what I'm trying to tell you anyways. But yeah. Let's try cutting this. Oh dang, that's sharp. Yep. Scissors. Thanks for watching.